Sharks are slow growing, it's slow to reproduce. And so if we pull a lot of sharks out of the ocean and put them on our dinner plates, they're going to have a very hard time recovering their population. So that's something to think about. So in fact, there's many fish in the ocean that are like that. And we've got a list here called the Seafood Watch Card.
Oh, you do?
It can give you some of that information, so when you go to the restaurant, you can think about what kind of pressures you're putting on the fisheries and the populations of these animals.
I think that shark is seeing if his name is on that list.
I think he is, and you notice that he's on the red list, and so we've got a little deal going here. I won't eat him, and he won't eat me.
Oh, that's a good contract to have with him. Mind if I emphasize on that a little bit?
Please do.
What Aaron was talking about, this is what the Monterey Bay Aquarium puts out. It's called the Seafood Watch Card. Whenever I go to a restaurant, I'm wondering what species are there. Go ahead, there's plenty of those species. Yellow means to be cautious, that they're starting to be depleted. Red means, oops, that they're starting to almost disappear. Just because they're high priced doesn't mean they taste that much better. It means that they're really scarce and hard to get a hold of. I'll have these up here for you if you're interested. It's a suggestion by the Monterey Bay Aquarium. And also, too, here, what Aaron is doing, is living proof sharks are really not vicious. You can see him hand feeding these, and how will you interact with them as quickly as sharks?
Madili? Hindi, kaya na. Hindi, diyan kayo, kasama ko kayo.
Daddy shark.
Shark ba yan?
Ano? Shark. Ayun pa yung black. Ano? Ayan o, pakalapit lang.
Tilapia. Ay, ano? Paltat. Paltat.
Oo daw.
Natay siya lagi tan eh.
Hindi, humihinga pa oh.
Ayan yung mga pangalan nila oh.
Daddy dyan sa taas ko, daddy ano makataas. Didiri. Yan ang dami nila.
Pabante ka dyan.
Hindi ako parang lapit ko.
Parang ang lapit mo. Parang ang lapit nga no?
Kapal, ang makapal yung mga uha.
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 Saan na yan uha?
Yun o, uha. Ito, daddy.
Tabi.
May meron na rin sa taas, daddy. Punta tayo sa taas.
Oo mamaya. Ay, bubble. Ganyan na itsura mo, Wendy. Yung bubbles siya daw, bubbles. Kaya pag ilalapit mo ulo mo dyan, ay, ang layo pala. Ay, ang layo pala. Kala ko lapit. Ay, bubble pala ito.
Daddy, tignan mo yung isda, oh. Ay, mas malaki pa doon, ang lalaki. Likay dito. Tara na.
Pwede hawakan eh, oh.
Hawakan ko,
Sige, pasok mo kami mo. Ay, pumasok na si Wendy sa loob. Ay, pumasok ka sa loob. Sige.
and they're found southwest on the coast. These guys were injured and brought here.
Eh, ano yan? Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam. The acrylic here is about 8.5 inches. Acrylic is a big, ito na.
Tuwa na kayo. Pipicturean ko nga rin kayo at makasali.
Yung malalaki.
Dadakal eh.
Size yan. Ito lang nagpalaki. Yung salamin siya yung nagpalaki.
Nainya nga dito nga flat. Flat nga dito na naka-side view nga maglangoy. Ay, hindi side view talaga.
Yan yung dadaan. Dadaan ko.
Line up, man. Dito ko lang naka-side view dito. Dito. Ay, ito si Den. Ay, yan ang shark.
California halibut ang tawag yan.
Yan, halibut. Den. Ito pa isa, den. Yan. Magdarap lumpi man. Yes.
Dito kain ka na.
Tapos ayaw mo na. Tsaka! Extra nga kita eh.
Ikaw na kasi.
Balik ka. Balik.
Ano ko naman yung pare-pareho yung tinitignan niya.
Ako hindi. Pare-pare yung mga mukha ng kakalindin nakikita ko.
Mami,
Eh.
pare-pareho yung tinitignan niyo. Ano na yung dito? Sana tayo.
Saan? Ituro mo nga. Ito. Ayan. Ito.
Naka na.
Yun.
Tara.
Naguri ka.
Happy po, George.
Naguri kayo ay igno.
Tama na, pare-pareho naman yung nakakatamad din.
Umalis naman ng kano. Di ba nga nagadaw nga kuryente naghamati pananmin. Ganun yan, ganun sila maglinis ng pipe. Okay.
Ano yan?
Gingay ko. What's this yung... Ano yan? Hindi, pagi. Hawakan niyo, Wendy. Hawakan, pwedeng hawakan. Touch pull. Kaya pala touch pull dito. Ed, hawakan mo nga.
Dali. Pwede ka hawakan natin.
Hawakan mo. Hey. Edgy Banger. Yun ah. Gumagalaw. Saan si mami mo? Ayan o. Ewan ko, biglang nag-splash. Biglang naubusan ng kwan. Tubig. Ed, tawara mo, nusag mo man o. Tawara mo, nusag mo man o, tiyawid tayo.
1/2 hour. Because it's winter, birds use shorter days. We turned out the lights in the aviary.
Dr. Warren, ti aquarium man. Hey. Saan banda? Tinawaram ko ba ito? Ginatang tayo?
Oo. Oh, Monterey Beach. Ay, Monterey View. Yan.
Kita man yung jigit kita anda dyan eh.
Tide pool.
Tadpol?
Tide.
Ang tadpol? Nakita man na karatak ki dyan tiluglugan ah.
Tignan natin dati.
Natanong ka na nga tumaktak ki dyan tilugan ko.
Umaambon ba, Wen?
Ay, ano yan?
Umaambon ba?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Hindi,
Nangyari?
yung parang wave.
Ano nangyari doon?
Itsura ng alon, guys. Itsura ng alon.
Umaambunan yan, di.
Mga sea otters.
Kasi yung mga sea otters, meron ba?
Doon sa kan kanina,
Pero wala sila dito.
wala sila ngayon eh. Muulan eh.
Uy, tayo no. 1 hour and a half na. Ito tayo nakikita natin.
Eh, ano nangyayari dyan? Tingnan mo. Men, ano ba nangyayari dyan?
Parang wave lang.
Tapos,
Parang wave din lang.
ano nga?
Pinapakita nila kung paano yung wave.
Sige nga, punta natin.
Hindi ka. Mababasa.
Dito ah. Anong nangyari?
Mamaya.
Ano nangyayari?
Diyan na. Diyan na.
Ganon lang.
Ano?
Ganon lang. Ano? Ha?
Hindi mo naman makukuhanin.
Ha? Hindi naman kukuhanan ko.
Doon mo asa.
Ayun o.
Doon ka kay Wendy.
Ano? Di kasama pa yan. Hindi di kasama. Ay, ako pinasakti. Durun mo.
Papis.
Hindi oh. Ay, huwag mong galawin yung kamay ko. Ah.
You can look through there, but... Over here. And it came out better than the sticker.
It's a general thing that business never goes away. Keep coming back to the eye.
Hilahin mo nga, Wendy. Wendy, hilahin mo nga. Ano yung Wendy? Sperm mga dadaktal. Ano kita?
Daddy, takong.
Sa iba tayo sa... Ay, kasta di sindami di ko ah. Da kami kada ko edi. Ya pa may ginadar ngayon na tinaktakaw daw mo Jimmy Montañez. Naiyaw-awan dati nga TV. Ano? Puro dati na yan.
Daddy, yung penguin mo. Nakuha ka naman ako yung penguin.
Saan?
Hindi ko nadala yung tape. Ngayon, extra na. Doon mo kunan. Sasabihin mo naman, akala ko malapit.
Dito ka, Wendy. Sheila. Hey, put your face in the penguin. I'll take a picture.
Eric, did you see the penguin over here?
Ay, tanga. Hindi pala naka-record kanina pa ako.
Natutulog, Daddy, natutulog. Kasi hindi mo nakapikit yung mga mata.
Pati nga yung daliri ko tulog eh. Hindi ko naipindot yung record.
Ha!
Kanina pa ako nakakuha.
Everybody over here.
Kaya na. Kayo mga naka-record na ba?
Ito yung nagkukos ng ano, brown out sa Pilipinas.
Daddy, may joke ako. Ano to?
Ulan, ambon.
Hindi.
Fish. Yan yung nagkukos ng ano eh, brown out sa ano.
Tara na.
Flying saucer? Mushroom? Mushroom?
Alam mo, ilang beses mo na nakunan yan. Tatama rin na silang manood niyan. Daddy, yan yung anchovies, ginagawang
Ha?
bagoong.
Ito?
Oo. Anchovies, di ba? Anchovy bagoong.
Hindi ko alam.
Beyond the sight of land, the ocean appears endless. Nothing on Earth is larger or more important than the oceans. They cover more than 70% of the surface of our planet and contain 99% of all livable space. They provide us with food, minerals, and pharmaceuticals. Every salty drop contains life. As our knowledge of this vast habitat increases, it's evident that despite their size and influence, oceans aren't immune to human effect. We've known for some time that the sea's sunlit surface waters are extremely vulnerable. Pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction have taken a toll. But what of the deeper waters that lie below them? Their home is Monterey Canyon, the largest underwater canyon on the west coast of the United States, and an ideal place to study the deep sea. Monterey Canyon is as broad and deep as the Grand Canyon. Just a short boat trip from shore, the waters filling its dramatic features are more than a mile deep. The deep sea is a vast habitat. It is a world of crushing pressure, extreme cold, and absolute darkness. A world that has resisted exploration until now. With a specially equipped video images and temperature, depth, and sonar readings. The deeper the ROV travels, the darker the canyon gets. Below 2,000 feet, darkness is total. But now, the MBARI team is piercing that darkness. Illuminating animals never seen. Observing them in their natural world. The ROV's powerful lights have helped us discover that the deep sea is not a desert at all, but a world teeming with life, and that many of its residents are mysterious and graceful creatures. Yet despite thousands of trips to the deep, we revealed only a small part of this dark world and its inhabitants. What lives down here? What do these creatures look like? How do they behave? Avoid predators? Find food or a mate? MBARI is working to answer these questions and many others. As the ROV's electronic eyes probe the deep waters, pictures of this mysterious world appear on monitors aboard the research vessel. Scientists have used the ROV to observe new life forms and study the sea floor in detail. But deep water exploration presents many challenges. These missions require pilots to guide their craft through unknown waters and near uncharted terrain. As they steer the ROV close to canyon walls, they must be on guard for dangerous currents, underwater landslides, even abandoned fishing gear. And they learn to maneuver carefully as they film new animals, collect specimens, or position sensitive measuring equipment and cameras on the seafloor. Now that they can enter this alien world as observers, scientists are beginning to learn what animals live here and how they live. Here, a goiter sponge holds fast to the canyon wall. Inside rests a rockfish. The ROV's eyes enable us to study individual animals in their natural habitats and to witness the often subtle relationships between them. Is this a chance interaction or a frequent occurrence? We know so little of the deep sea that only repeated visits to the same habitats will reveal the answers to such questions. Studying these predatory tunicates in the deep sea has enabled scientists to recreate their deep sea habitats in the lab. Now these and other animals can be observed here at the aquarium in our deep sea lab and in our deep sea exhibit. At MBARI, scientists pose difficult questions about the deep sea and then work with a team of engineers and operations staff to build the tools necessary to find the answers. Each specimen gathered by researchers, each picture added to the thousands of hours of video footage already cataloged. What we know of deep sea animals, like this comb jelly, or this larvation house, has emerged slowly through repeated visits to Monterey Canyon. By observing them over periods of months, even years, the secrets of their deep water lives begin to be revealed. Even tiny animals like this deep sea jelly give us a better understanding of the deep sea world.
Where's Alana? Jordan, where?
Go. Ano di ko dito itang tangadon mo dito. Mga kasta na tangadon. Kulo dito. It's all around. Nagaduda ah. Nagaduda. Nagaduda.
Ito na yung oras.
Wala, namukang nyaki.
Tara na.
30 minutes pa eh. Muna ka na. Lisikat na. Di ba ang irmat darakal dyan na yun? Darakal.
Jellyfish. Kevin, come. They're 100 long.
Closed up view. Ay, ginagawa natin pulutan. Ayan, mga yellow pin. Ang lalaki. Ay,
Pati sa taas.
kalalaki. Ito, closed up net.
Ay, isang shark sa taas. Daddy, shark. Yung shark sa taas.
Asus, nagtatabak. Soy.
Di, shark sa taas.
Yun yung binibili natin na iniihaw natin.
Ay, ginagawa natin pulutan. Nagdadakal.
Eh, makapal ito eh.
Ayan, ganyan kakapal doon. Taba. Ay, mga pulutan. Ay.
Tara na, tara na.
Ay, nandiyan shark.
Walang shark sa...
Nagdakal dito ng aquarium. Pino. Kaya kita mga kusot na kadakal dito. Kita ka ng side na. Oh.
Pakitang ginagawa nila sardinas.
Ito ba?
Sardines, Pacific sardines yun.
Ito tayo, dagiti arami dendang pulutan. Ito tayo, dagiti majar arami dendang sardinas.
Sardinas data.
Oh? Nya university mo dati nga sa eskwela school, di ba? Sige man, tipay mo. Nagadunga estudyante na ito, school nga dati. Look for these spots on their sides. Nakita mo? Landok.
Dati gano'n oras ang 4:40. 7.
Hanggang alas 7.
Makakamot tayo.
Hindi na yata. Ewan ko
Oo,
lang.
alas
Ay,
6.
wala. Alas 6 pa lang. 5:30 pa lang. Kasi makakita ti Rice Terrace. Ito eh. Ito man.
Parang ahas.
Ha? Ahas?
Parang ahas.
Datay sa mga pa. Buok ni datay nga datay.
Oh, you can see the lights at the MC. So, I guess there must be little stuff that's floating around in there.
Nakikita niya tada kayo nga doon. Nagbibiyan niya ta.
Saralik na. Kasi...
Mereka ginalanak lang. Ay, kas Jazz. Bra. Nakita yung amin? Diyan ka. Hindi mo masyado.
Dati doon sa Gent.
Yeah. Ada sini. Ay, nadan. Baba ka na.